Good morning and welcome back to GT Racers. Today we continue where we left off yesterday. We will try to remove the cylinder head. Yes. I couldn't get it loose yesterday, so I've used the amazing online knowledge of cars and see if I did something wrong. And no, I did not do something wrong. I did the correct thing. Remove the cover for the timing belt. Removed the 11 Allen screws, removed the hose for the oil vapor, and that is all. Now I just need to carefully bang a little bit to get it to loosen, because it sits like crazy actually. The paper here, I will put in the paper here because it can drip oil, and we don't want oil on the manifolds because it will burn and stink like hell if I ever get the car to run again. So I will start tapping and see what happens. 10 minutes of beating it up with the rubber mallet and I cannot get it loose. The rocker cover is completely stuck on the gasket. Well, I give it 10 more minutes because I start removing all the color now because of the banging. 10 more minutes of banging. Oh, I'm short of breath, and I actually now I got into it to start losing here. So I'll be careful now and try to focus on this side and try to get it more and more so it releases the gasket all the way. As you can see, I managed to stop it now, so you see it's open now. So now I will carefully here it comes. I need 2 hands, and I have secured with the paper now in case it spills a little bit of oil. Let's see now. Now I need 2 hands. Here it comes. It's maybe the gasket is holding it. What's it? Oh yes, it's a piece of the gasket. It's stuck here. Let's see if I can release it. It's so slippery, and we have a little bit here too. And look at that, we have removed it. Now we can start see if we find any problem. I have been trying to see if there's any problem when damages, or you can see pieces of metal or anything, but as it looks, I see nothing problematic at all. You have Lancia. Damn. Because if there is nothing problem here, no the springs are broken, everything is in the right position, I've been trying to feel if something's loose, nothing is loose, then my problem is in a much deeper place. That means I need to go further down into the engine to actually go into the cylinders. But that means I have to remove the belts, of course, and lift this whole upper part to get into the engine. Okay, what should I do now? I cannot do anything further today. I need to start preparing for this because I need to go to a garage because I need to lift out the engine. Otherwise I can't do it like this. Yeah. Well, let's put this back together. I need, of course, a new gasket. This gasket is, of course, damaged now, you see, especially where it got stuck. So I will order and change it to a new gasket, but I will put the rocker cover back on again and seal up so it doesn't get in any water or stuff like that. This was a short video, but it was interesting. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on the next video, which I don't know what it will be and what kind of video, but we find something cool to do. Bye bye.